Well, hey, everybody, I'm Lonnie Quinn. For your day today, your high temp was 54, your low was 46. For your day tomorrow, you're going to be colder in both the highs and the lows, and you're waking up at 40 degrees out there. So it's mostly clear, colder in the burbs, but you've got a gusty wind, 20 miles per hour or so, if not stronger. So 40 is going to feel like you're right down to around the freezing mark, even in Central Park. Afternoon high temperature gets up to 51 degrees. Okay, today you were 54, so a little bit cooler tomorrow. It's a brighter sky overhead, but you still have that chilly breeze all day long. Some of those gusts could be over 20 miles per hour during the afternoon. Now, the skies, we're actually doing okay. You see a little flash right here? Seems like it's over our area. That's a false return. This is some actual real, rain out there. And you know what? It's not just all rain. We had a couple of little snowflakes, a little piece of sleet make its way into the northern fringes of Sullivan County. It's just not a real big deal for us. That's not going to be the story weather-wise. You'll get a brighter-looking sky tomorrow. Going to be a little colder, but the story will be for Saturday as we watch this system, which is making its way through Texas right now into Oklahoma. It was what's left of Hurricane Willa. The mountains of Mexico beat it up, but it's still a rainmaker. So now what happens from here? It is going to be combining with some other elements in the atmosphere. And does it move into our area? Does it not move into our area? Let's look at a couple of the computer models. This is the GFS model, which says, hey, here it comes as a sort of an unorganized mess. But by Saturday, it's more organized, and it's right over us. That's a nor'easter right there. That's the GFS. Got to look at the European as well. They've handled storms in this area for the last decade so well, and a very similar track, and again, right over the area. So there is agreement between at least those two models. So you have to have more confidence in this thing coming together. And the latest numbers from the National Weather Service say the timing would be, maybe late Friday, but it's really Saturday, maybe even to early Sunday. Rainfall 1 to 2 inches, if not more, in some localized spots. Gusty northeast winds, of course, maybe 35, 45 miles per hour. Those are up from yesterday where they were 30 to 40. So tomorrow, possibly it's 45 to 55. We'll stay on top of all of this minor to moderate coastal flooding. I think you're looking at inundation of maybe, we talked yesterday, 1 to 1.5 feet. Now maybe it's 1 to 2, maybe 2.5 feet. I think the areas that are most sort of susceptible to something like that would be the south shore of Long Island and maybe like Jamaica Bay. Across the board will be 80. Wow. 81, that catch your attention, will be 51 for your day on Thursday, 50 for Friday. Good-looking skies overhead. It's going to be windy out there for your day tomorrow. Saturday is the day that it looks like we have a nor'easter in our area. This is not a snowmaker. This is a rainmaker. Any snow would have to be in the real high elevations north of the area. 50 for Saturday, 49 for Sunday. Overall, Sunday's a better day. Still a little bit of a shower chance. There's a shower chance on Monday with the last round. The wraparound precipitation comes through, and then it gets out of here finally by later in the day Monday. Keep it right here or watch us on TV. CBS2 or WLNY 1055.